Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial showing you how to record in pencil spaces. Before you begin your recording, you need to make sure that you have joined a video call. To find the recording button, just navigate to your video toolbar, click More, and click the record button. From there, you'll have the option to choose which page you want to record. Not only can you record the pencil spaces whiteboard and the video call itself, but you can also record anything else on your computer. So in this case, I'm going to record the pencil spaces window that I am on, and I'm going to click share. The setup is very similar to a screen share, but once I've clicked share and I heard the recording chime, you'll see that the recording indicator is now red, meaning that it is active. You also have the option to pause or resume your recording at any time. Just click on the recording indicator and click pause to pause the recording. If you want to resume it, you can just click the recording indicator again and click resume. If you are in the maximized video view, you'll be able to see the recording indicator at the bottom of the screen. To end your recording, click on the recording indicator and click stop recording. You'll then see a preview of your recording that you can review at the very top. And then you have the option to save this recording to either your computer's hard drive or to pencil files. If you choose to save the recording to pencil files, you also have the option to save it to your device. So I'm going to select both. Then click save. And you'll see that the recording has saved onto my computer. And there is a recording indicator at the bottom right corner of my screen if I chose to save the recording to pencil files. The recording will save with the name of your space along with the day of the session. And it'll save as a WebM file, which can be uploaded anywhere else, or it can be converted into an MP4 if you'd prefer. If you saved your recording to the cloud, it'll be stored in pencil file. If you decided to save your recording to pencil files, make sure that you wait for the recording to upload fully before you end your video call in pencil spaces. You'll receive an email with a link to the recording after the recording has been uploaded. You'll also be able to find it within pencil files whenever you want to upload a video to the whiteboard. As you can see, I received an email letting me know that my recording for my space is ready. So then I can click go to recording and I'll be redirected to the place where my recording is saved. I have the option to share the link to this recording to anyone within my institution, or if you want to share it with people outside of your institution, you could upload it directly onto the whiteboard. To upload your recording to the whiteboard, just click the upload button at the bottom within your space. And then if you saved it to your hard drive, you could choose to upload the recording from your computer. However, if it was uploaded to pencil files, just navigate to pencil files on the left side and find your recording at the top. So I'm going to select this recording and click insert. Now my recording will be embedded directly on the whiteboard for any of my participants to review asynchronously. Keep in mind that if a recording is placed on the whiteboard as a video, it won't be synced at the same time, meaning that if you turn it on, it won't play for everyone else in your space. That is it for today's tutorial showing you how to record in pencil spaces. If you have any questions during your session in pencil spaces, just click the help button at the top right corner and you'll be able to reach out to our 24/7 chat support. Make sure to like and subscribe.